Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch a BMW M3. First, make sure your engine is fully warmed up to its ideal operating temperature. Next, select your preferred M mode, typically M2, which allows for the most aggressive settings. Fully deactivate the dynamic stability control system by holding the button down. Finally, shift the automatic transmission into drive or the manual into first gear, preparing for the launch. With the car ready, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down with your left foot. Now, quickly and completely press the accelerator pedal to the floor with your right foot. Hold both pedals down. You should see a checkered flag icon appear on your instrument cluster, indicating launch control is active. If the flag doesn't appear, release the accelerator and try again. Once the launch control flag is displayed, release the brake pedal quickly but smoothly. Keep the accelerator pedal pressed fully to the floor. The car's sophisticated system will manage the engine RPMs and wheel spin for optimal traction. If you have a manual transmission, be prepared to shift gears rapidly as the engine approaches its red line, ensuring a seamless power delivery. After a successful launch, always be mindful of your surroundings and any traffic. It is crucial to practice this technique only in a safe, closed course environment, never on public roads. Remember to allow your engine and brakes to cool down after high-performance driving. Using launch control frequently can put extra stress on drivetrain components, so use it sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.